could not find wipes, even the spray to use with paper towels. So shelves were empty. We've tried several suppliers around. You could order on Amazon, but it took us a while to get here. So out of that, just another employee here gave me the idea, that he had. Want to know if we would pursue it, and it really wasn't a question. I seen that there was a need. I seen we had the ability, utilizing the equipment we have and the talents that we have. So we started prototyping right then and there.
Took a lot of input from a lot of people. It took a lot of forward thinking, a lot of ideas, kicked out arguments and disagreements, and went through the whole rigmarole of everything. And we've got to this point so far. One roller is rolling in the solution, and it brings a paper towel out to the second set of rollers, and they pull the paper towel out to you. And both rollers are timed together with a belt. So, and there's a hand knob. So as you turn the hand knob, it pulls the paper towel out to you.
And we've given a couple away to first responders. But why I'm so passionate about this is just, I love the process behind of making things and coming up with new things and new products. I mean, I started here when I was right out of high school. I was green, never worked around, I worked on farms. I mean, this is just completely different. Like, they treat you like family, and that's a good thing. Like, you're not just a number here, and I really like that.
I was born in this business. I kind of didn't have a choice. My dad started the company in his garage. I'll never forget, he took and went to the bank with the title of my mom's car, and he used that for collateral for a loan to go buy a Bridgeport in a mill and started up in his garage. And it was never really a question about it. I was, just part of it. I just grew up in it, and that's what we did. I went to school. During the day, I'd come home, go to work in the garage for a couple hours. We'd take a dinner break. Many times we'd go back to work again, go in, take a shower, and do it again. So that's how I got into it. That's all I've ever done. I've never filled out an application anywhere other than working a family business.
Like, just being a part of every step of the way. We've all had input. We've all had, I've had a couple things, input things. We change, one little thing, we completely remake it and then change it again and remake it.
Culture in RTD is strong. That's another thing I take a lot of pride in. We got a great group of guys here. We always try to have good harmony in the shop, and got a great group of guys, and I'd say the culture's strong.
I hope it has a big impact. Going forward, people are going to be more worrying about germs, what they touched way before. Our whole life changed. So a person's going to want to grab a wipe and wipe off a doorknob before they grab into it, before they don't know where they're at or whatever. It could be a real universal tool, and I don't see just this pandemic right now being the start and end of this product. There's nothing like it on the market. I've searched, I've looked, and there's nothing else like it.
We're in a very adverse time right now with this COVID-19 pandemic, and it's provided me with the want to, or the desires to fight and win for families. And so it's certainly built character, and out of that character, we apply it to business principles and go out and win for our families and provide jobs that are, these employees can provide for their families as well. So I take a lot of pride in that. My passion to get up every morning is I try to be as unselfish as I can. I'm a family man, I'm a father, I'm a man of faith. So that's the character that I was raised with. And that's what I try to portray as a business owner and here in this company. Jackson is very friendly to small business, and I'd say let's band together. We have to compete against each other, but let's band together and let's try to utilize each other's talents and work together.